What is rotation of matrices? In essence, it is a linear transformation in the same vector field. Here in 2 dimensions, we are transforming a vector x in the same vector space R2. We can see that the vector x has been rotated anticlockwise by an angle theta. Rotation of x is equal to ax because it is a linear transformation. What is A? Well, it is a rotated identity matrix, I2 for 2 dimensions. Here we see each individual component of I2 has been rotated by theta degrees. We just need to find these vectors in order to find the rotation vector. Once identified, these individual components respectively create the rotation vector. Now, coming to R3, the basic idea remains same, but due to increased number of variables, the amount of mathematical computation required increases substantially. For example, 3D rotation matrix around origin with axes ux, uy, uz with angle theta is such. There is also the Rodrigues rotation formula, which is an efficient method for computing the rotational matrix corresponding to a rotation by an angle theta about a fixed axis specified by a vector w cap equal to wx, wy, wz belonging to R. Here W curled is the antisymmetric matrix. Now, coming to higher dimensions. As we keep increasing the dimensions, the more complicated it gets, but let's go through the definition. The definition is that A belongs to M and R is called a rotation matrix if there exists a unitary matrix P such that P inverse AP is of the form as given. Now that looks similar. If we consider A such that R power n, 2R power n, that's in the same vector field, then the meaning is that there exists an orthonormal basis where we rotate the two-dimensional space spanned by the first two vectors by an angle theta, and we fix the other n minus 2 dimensions. But what does it all mean? In essence, what it means is that we can look at rotation in two ways. Rotate the object that we are looking at, or to change our perspective or point of view. While rotating matrices, we are doing exactly that, changing the way we look at certain objects. So the next time you are playing a video game slithering into the abyss of infinity, remember it's all matrices.